When hunger strikes, the bear will stop at nothing to catch its next meal. For the mountain goats, escaping the grasp of the bear means the difference between life and death. But for the bear, the stakes are equally high. Its family depends on it to provide food for their survival. Their sharp hooves and incredible balance allow them to traverse the most treacherous terrain with ease. It's a harsh reality of life in the mountains, a never-ending struggle for survival. While the goats are well adapted to the treacherous terrain, the bear is not so nimble. One misstep could mean certain death for the bear, but hunger drives it forward. For the goats, the cliff is a sanctuary, a place where they can escape the bear's clutches. As the bear reaches the edge of the cliff, it must be a crucial decision. Despite its hunger, the bear knows that one false move could mean certain death. The bear retreats, acknowledging the limits of its strength and agility. But as it turns to leave, the bear's luck runs out. The fall from such a height is certain death. For the mountain goats, the bear's demise is just another chapter in their story of survival. In the mountains, life is fleeting and unpredictable, and each creature must fight to survive. But through it all, the mountains remain a testament to the enduring power of nature.